My online business journey started with dropshipping. I've built multiple stores, some failed, some turned into brands that I eventually sold. But today, dropshipping looks completely different. Now, thanks to AI, you can get a full store set up and running in minutes. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding a winning product to building a store with AI to getting your first sales. Let's build it. The key to successful dropshipping store is finding a product that people actually want to buy. So let me show you exactly how to do that, and this is the method I always use when starting my own dropshipping stores. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to TikTok and search for TikTok made me buy this. Then set the filter to posted this month, sort by like count, and hit apply. After a quick scroll, I found this product right here. It looks like a lamp you can put on your table, but it has a very cool twist. It actually floats in the air, and that virality factor is exactly what we're looking for, because a product that naturally grabs attention is going to be much easier to market. Another thing I noticed is that this page that posted this video has a bunch of videos featuring different products, but this specific one actually went viral. So the data simply telling us that clearly there's a demand here. Now I just want to find the supplier website for this product. So I took a quick screenshot of the product, dropped it in the Google image search, and found out that it's called a levitating moon lamp. From there, I can easily find this product on AliExpress and grab the URL. And later in this video, I'll show you a much better way to source your products with faster shipping and better pricing. Now that we have our product, it's time to build a store. So instead of wasting time and manually trying to build a store, we're going to use AI instead. The tool I'm going to be using is called Krafted AI. It's a Shopify app that takes an AliExpress product link and generates a fully branded, conversion-focused store around it. Custom images, copy, page layout, everything. So first, you need a Shopify account, and then you can install the Krafted AI app directly into your account. I left a link for a free Shopify trial and a free Krafted AI trial in the description below. Once you're inside Shopify, just install the Krafted AI app into your account and connect it. After that, just select the plan. All of the plans give you a completely free 3-day trial, so you can first test and see if you like how your AI store looks, and even launch the store completely free of charge. I'm going to go with a growth plan, which includes 75 product pages per month, AI product images, and gives you a priority support among other bonuses. So after selecting my plan, Krafted gives me a simple step-by-step plan for creating our store. Step 1 is to give them the product. As you can see, we can give them a product URL from AliExpress, Amazon, Shopify, and even Alibaba. Previously, I found my product on AliExpress, so I'm just going to add the link right here and click continue. Krafted AI scans the product and gives us recommended image upgrades. So we have a hero product shot, a lifestyle shot, and a editorial benefit visual. And we can enhance the selected images with their enhancement tool right here. So I'm going to select all 3 of these images and click enhance selected images. Now, if you want a different composition, for example, a lifestyle image, we can just select lifestyle section. Select the image we want to enhance and click enhance. And just like that, we have a lifestyle shot image for our product. Now let's try the editorial enhancement. And just like that, we have a full product editorial image as well. Let's click continue to review and build. At this stage, Krafted AI starts conducting more research on my product to highlight the strongest selling points and build out the store. As you can see, it says it will take 5 minutes, and it would have taken us 14 hours doing this manually. So in about 5 minutes, the store is ready. Right here, you can click view and edit your store or publish it right away. Let's view it first. So right off the bat, we have a custom name, reviews, product options, and everything else prepared. Then look at the copy. As you can see, it's not writing generic AI copy. It actually wrote copy that connects emotionally with a specific customer for this specific product. Next, add to cart button. It highlights the top selling points instantly, because most people, they don't want to scroll through and find the reasons to buy the product. Scrolling down, we have a nice modern looking animated section where it lists out all of the product benefits. This looks really good. Like a solid landing page, not just a generic product page. It is really structured in a way to give as much detail about the product as possible. And the best part is that everything is fully customizable inside Shopify. So if you want to tweak the copy, swap an image, or adjust the layout, you can do all of that directly in the Shopify editor. I really like this section, the easiest way to make a room feel finished. And this comparison table is an amazing idea as well. I remember trying to add something like this myself to my own store back in the day. It took me days to figure out how to do it, and I still ended up messing messing up the code and messing up my entire store design. But Krafted AI literally built it without me needing to do anything. Now, one thing I would change is this picture right here to ensure the lamp is not on a white background and it seamlessly integrates with the website background color. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just go back to Krafted app and select AI product photos, then search for existing product photos right here, select a photo and select hero product shot, and then write this prompt. Recreate a photo of this product, ensuring it has no background and it is transparent. And just like that, we were able to remove the background from the product. Now we can upload the image back to Shopify. And now it looks much more cleaner. Down below, we also have custom generated reviews, which we can sort by quality, ease, look, and value. And of course, a FAQ section with a final call to action to get the product. Let's hit publish and see how it looks on the web. Wow, I didn't even see this, but they also created a homepage with all the information about the product and a contact page as well. Now, one thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove extra product options and make it so there's only one option for the product available. Let's go to products, select the product, and remove both options right here. Now, the price that Krafted set is already solid. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. I always like to price my products 3 times more than it actually costs from my supplier. So if your product with everything costs $10, you need to be selling it for at least $30 because you need some margin to cover your ad spend and still walk away with profit. So I'm going to make a price $149.99 and add a compare ad price of $299.99 and click save. Now our store is built, our product is priced correctly, and we're ready to start making some sales. But the problem is that we don't have a reliable supplier yet. Now, if I were to source this product from AliExpress, it would have cost me much more and the shipping times would be much longer. So instead, I'm going to use this sourcing platform called Teemdrop. It connects you directly with verified suppliers, ships to major countries in 5 to 10 days, and is completely free to get started. You'll find the link to Teemdrop at the top of the video description together with all other resources. So I'm going to log into Teemdrop, then go to service and product sourcing. From there, scroll down a little bit and click source now. It opens the whole Teemdrop dashboard, and on the left side, just click find product and select product search. There we can select 2 different suppliers. I'm going to go with 1688 and enter levitating moon lamp into the search bar. And I can already see similar products on the first page, but I always like to browse a few pages deep to find the best price. And I found this one right here. I'm going to click on the product. Here we can select different options. Since I'm planning to sell in the US, I'll select US GB light source. And for the light color, I'm going to go with classic elegant black. Then once we select all of these, we can see the item cost down below. And this puts us our product cost to $30.68. After that, just click add to Teemdrop and click submit. Now, after a couple of hours, I actually got sourcing confirmation back. As you can see, the sourcing was approved and my supplier can get me this product for $30.68 plus the shipping fee to US is going to be extra $27.34, bringing the total price to $58.02. And compare that to AliExpress, where I found the same product for $74.81. That's actually a big difference in my margins. And side note, that's in euros, which converts to about $85, making it roughly 1.5 times higher. And again, that's just one supplier that I found. By doing more research and applying to all of the possible suppliers for your product on Teemdrop, you would be able to find even a lower price for your product. Now, right after you submit your product for sourcing, go back to Shopify and install Teemdrop by finding the app in the Shopify App Store. What's great is that Teemdrop connects directly to your Shopify store with just one click. Once your store is authorized, you'll be able to see it right here. And once your product is approved for sourcing and you start making sales for it, Teemdrop is going to handle the rest. They pack your product, they ship your product, and send you tracking updates automatically. You also get a dedicated agent assigned to you, so if anything goes wrong with your order or you need help with sourcing, you're not just talking to a random chatbot, you have a real person helping you through the entire process. All right, we have our store built, we have a way to source the product. Now we just need to market the store and start getting sales. And I'm not a big fan of paid advertising. For the product like this, starting with organic content is much better idea. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram completely changed the game for dropshipping. You can start a brand new account with 0 followers and still go viral. The algorithm doesn't care how big you are, it cares about the content. So here's how I'm going to market this product. I'm not going to reinvent the the wheel because I already know the product works, as you saw earlier when I did the product research. So I'm going to start with TikTok. No fancy editing, no studio, just simple content that shows people what the product does. Again, that's the reason why you need to pick a visually appealing product that is easy to understand and easy to create viral content with. And then your comment section basically gives you ideas for your upcoming videos. Just like this video example, which answered a simple question about how stable it is, and it literally got 2 million views. So somebody writes, how does it look in the dark? And then you make a video just replying to that comment showing literally how it looks in the dark. And that's a viral video idea right here. And it sells itself. More views brings more comments gives you more content ideas. You just have your product link in your bio, and every single video points people directly and indirectly to that link. If you want to see how this store performs, I'm actually planning to run it and share the results. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. All of the resources and software I used throughout this video are linked at the top of the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.